trading mentality. A good system doesn't mean anything if you can't follow it. That is where a strong, disciplined mentality comes in. There will be days when you check your portfolio and you see something that you don't like, but you have to trust the system that you created and remain steadfast. Remember that you created your system off the principles that we learned in this course, and you need to learn to trust that system. Remember why people lose in the market. They lose because they let their emotions take over. When they see a holding go down 10%, they get scared and they sell and they take a loss. Then what? Thousands of people do this, causing the stock to drop even more. People get caught in this downward snowball and they take massive losses. But not us. We keep holding because we know it's temporary. We may even buy when others sell if our system tells us to, because we know that stock will go back up, back to its properly valued price. Use what you have learned to create a system that you can trust. Then don't question it. Be confident that you created something that will work, and then let it work. Take the time on the front end to make a system that you're confident in, and it will take care of you on the back end. That's all for today. Next time, we're going to talk about the true test of will, recessions. See you then.